take a little walk through the shop here today, see what's happening. It's Friday, so give a little bit of a sweep and a tidy up. We try to every Friday sweep it and tidy it up, but we are working away. We got Chris out here working away. We'll show you what's going on. Again, there's the, you just watched, there's the 72 Prostreet 72, there's the 80. Let's get back here and see what's happening. So a little metal room. I built this little metal room here just a while back, if you remember, this spring. These fenders aren't normally in here, but it helps out. We got our big drill press here. Got our parts washer. We got another bolt bin over there. Of course, you always got to have a fire extinguisher. You know, we got a bench here. We got our chop saw there. We got, you know, drills and this bench grinder. This thing's going. It's garbage. We're getting a big one. Actually, I'm picking that up this afternoon. We got some grinders here. All the rest of the grinders are everywhere else. You know, you got your hole saws. You got your sawzall. You got your torch kit over there. Oh my God, yeah, we got it all. You know, we got our 52-inch brake, roller, shear, you know. And then I put some, left a wall unstudded, or on drywall, and I put some boards across there and keep all different types of metal and shit in there. Keep some sheet metal going on over here, you know. Put these racks up here for stuff. Right now I just got light bulbs hanging up there because I got a light that still has to go in here, a little dark in here, but we're getting there. And then of course look at all my goodies up in the rafters. 55 Chevy grills, Oldsmobile grills, Ford grills, DeSoto grills. How many of you guys out there from Merc or Shoebox would like to have that? Well, I've got 4. I know they're not for sale. We got the 53 Chevy grill with all the extra teeth. We got 4950 Shoebox grills. There's another DeSoto grill right there. And if you look carefully, look very, very carefully, look at it, you can see a bird's nest in there. Damn bird. Got some chopped up right over there. I know you can't tell from here, but they're 32 Ford fenders that are bobbed. Look at the wheel collection, and that ain't nothing. I probably got 100 wheels here. No, they're not for sale. All right, okay. There's the old Mustang. Okay. Oh, Chris has got the tunes happening here. There we go. It's getting in there. This is the piece of oven truck. Look at that. Looking good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's it. We got the good music, we got the sunshine. Fuck yeah, it's good in December. And it's Friday. It's a beer drinking day soon. There we go, Sean's working away.
Hello there.
Yeah, he's working away. He's got, these are the doors for the 72 for that Prostreet truck. He's going to be painting these up later tonight here. We don't paint these in a booth, we're just painting the inner side. We really don't need a booth to paint for those. Sean will clean it up in here really good, and we'll hang them from this pipe here and water the floor down, and it'll be good. Or maybe he'll even lay down on the stands. I don't know. That's up to him. The doors when you paint them. Probably leave them lay down. Yeah, there you go. He's going to leave them lay down. See, there we go. Okay, so that's what's going on there. Other than that, he's a little bit empty because he's got to keep it clean when he goes to paint. So he's playing with stuff like that. Everything's good. Still waiting on parts of the Camaro. Little Johnny Cash going in the background there. What more do you expect out here in Chilliwack? What a beautiful day today. Absolutely beautiful. Can't go wrong. What else can I show you around here today? I think that's about it. I don't think I can show you anymore. We got our 7-Up cooler here outside the door. Yes, it does work. Got our windshield wiper blade thing here. We're trying to make it look old school. You see, this is old signs I got up here. I'm going to be pulling the siding off of here. I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be doing the wooden siding like you see back there on those buildings. We're pulling all this down. Engines? Oh shit, I got engines. You want to see engines? Look at this. I got small block Chevys, 283, 327s, a 265. I got flathead motors. And yes, every single thing in here does run. You name it. I got transmissions. I got it all. I got power pack heads off 57 Chevys. I got 202 heads. I got 194 heads. Oh yeah. I got exhaust manifolds. I got headers. Look at the exhaust manifolds. Yeah. No, I do not sell anything. How many times can I say it? I got oil baths over here. I might consider selling an oil bath. I might consider selling one of those. What's an oil bath, you're asking? Well, that was what they used. That was air cleaner. Back in the 50s, 40s, all that kind of stuff. It was an air cleaner that you never put a paper filter in. The top was a screen. You'd wash it. The bottom, you put engine oil in it. There you go. That's what's going on there. And of course, we're back in the office of all the goodies you can see. Yes, we got our beer cooler there. I'll be dipping into that later today. And oh, we got things falling down here. Our metal flake helmet's falling down. Anyway, we better stand that shit back up. Let's get in order here. And remember, guys, I know the glass is shitty, but the shirts aren't. We got tons of shirts, and they're going quick. And just so you guys know, because I don't want to hear any complaining, I mailed some shirts off yesterday, or I should say Jess did, and it was telling us they were going to be 9 to 10 days before people were receiving them. So if you're looking to get a shirt right now for Christmas, you're pushing it on getting on Christmas Day. I think if you order within the next 4 or 5 days, and I'm not trying to make you buy one, but you might get it on time for Christmas. But I think if you don't order by the end of next week, you may be getting it after Christmas. I'm only telling you this because I'm honest and I don't want to deal with the BS of people getting mad at me. Okay, if you're waiting on the beanies, the toques, whatever you want to call them, they told me they were a week or two away. 1 week is gone now. Haven't heard from them. It's Friday, so hopefully next week they're here. There you go. That's it. Okay, it's always a good time at Old Time. Watch us on Facebook, Old Time Garage. Rick's _ Old Time Garage is Instagram, and away we go. See you later.